Here's a weekend update for August 20th, 2011. We're looking at the midterm charts, the 3 month charts of the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. Anyway, the Dow 3 month chart looks like we got three crash wave, four at 0.382, and then a fifth wave down, which is occurring right now. Again, fifth waves are pretty unpredictable. You don't know how far they might go. It could break through 10,600 and test 10,000 at worst, and or last Friday was the ending diagonal bottom, and we truncate right here. So we need to have a really positive open on Monday. Hopefully, there's good news this weekend. There hasn't been any big news yet, but anyway, I believe the crash wave is over because of this four, and we're in the fifth wave down. And again, fifth waves are hard to predict. So scenario again is bottom last Friday, or we test 10,000 to the downside for S&P. Yeah, 10,000 is about 800 points from here. S&P. I mean, I like to see ending diagonals, and I like to see fifth wave that truncate. So those are the best case scenarios. If we truncate it on Friday and got the ending diagonal. Ending diagonals are typically the bottom pattern, and we got somewhat of a. It looks like an ending. It was looking like an ending diagonal, and we closed the lows, which makes it kind of hard to push a rally into next week. But hopefully Monday is one of those gap up rallies, and we need to have a newsless weekend without any big like nasty news. Anyway, for S&P, looks like 1, 2, 3 crash wave, forward exactly 0.382 and a downward 5. Um, the targets to the downside are I believe 1105, which is the low set about 2 weeks ago, and the lowest target I have is 1075, which is around 0.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3. So all in all, I believe that we're in a fifth wave down because of how, I mean, this is 1, 2, 3 crash wave 4 at 0.382 and 5, and we need to have a rally, strong rally next week. But typically bottoms occur on expiration, on end diagonals, and on fifth waves. So those are three things we have going for us right now: is ending diagonal, fifth wave, expiration, and a close of the lows at expiration, and clearly five-way pattern. I mean, what I don't want is this to be a B wave. I don't think it's a B wave. I don't believe this is a B wave. It looks more like it's 0.382. It would have rallied to like 11270 for it to be a B wave. So standard 4 was exactly 0.382. So you got 3, 4 at 0.382 to around 1205 in S&P, and then drop in the fifth wave. Nasdaq looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And downside target I have is around I believe at 2275 to 2300 if we can't if we didn't bottom last Friday. Or if we bottom last Friday, then we would truncate here and then have a big rally starting on Monday. But there hasn't been any news yet. We'll find out. We'll find out this tomorrow, and we got to watch the futures really carefully because if we have a gap down again, then we'll test 2275 and Nasdaq. S&P will test 1075, and Dow will be testing as low as 10,000, I believe, or 10,200. That's a wrap.